Guys, how's it going? It's Edgar here. So I'm going to be making a quick instructional video on how to add or check for leak on your Toyota Tacoma. And what I have here is a 1996 Toyota Tacoma pickup, and I've been having issues with the AC. So what I did is I went in and bought this, AC recharge kit. Let me see if I can show you guys that. So it comes with everything, the valve and all that good stuff. So make sure it has the gauge too. And I'm gonna walk with you guys step by step on how you guys can do it at home, replace it, yourselves without having to pay, money to have somebody else do it. So let's go check it out. So like I said, guys, here's my 1996 Toyota Tacoma. It's in pretty good shape, I guess. The only issue I had, there was no cold air.
It's so hot in here.
So what you want to do is make your way to your truck. You're going to want to turn on, make sure it's on, the AC is on, and put it to its coldest, okay? So let it run for about, 4 minutes or so.
5 minutes later,
Turn it on, make sure it's running, and now you want to locate your highs and lows.
Little high, little low.
So if you're looking at your truck at like this, it's going to be located on that corner. You guys see that right there? Those are your highs and lows. So let me just set this here for a bit. And this is what it looks like. See that? High and low. Alright, so you're going to want to take it off. See that? Set that there for now. Now let's set this up real quick. Alright guys, so pretty easy to set it up, screw it on there like so. Now what you want to do is shake it a little. And right where we took out that cap, that's where we are going to be putting this in. So after you shake it continuously, you're going to be doing that for 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock. 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock while we put it on there. And this thing, just like a hose, pull back and it should snap right in. Oh, there we go. There we go. So now check this. You guys can see there. It's at about 25. So what we want to do is we got to make sure it's at around 45. So here we go. So it looks like that just about did it, you guys. I'm gonna go check out the air and see how if it's fresh. All right, guys. So here's the update. After I made sure that I put the AC recharge at the blue level for 45, where I told you guys, it is actually very, very fresh. So I'm liking this. Got the air nice and cool now, finally. Got the AC going. And there we go, you guys. That's how you do it. Feels good.
The end.